Hello peaches, welcome back to Dear Peachie. Do you guys still remember this video that talked about effective makeup? It was the first makeup tutorial that started our effective makeup technique series. There were numerous comments saying that you guys were really amazed with the tips suggested in the video, and we are so glad to see how this video has provided new insights and thoughts in your makeup techniques. Now the makeup guru, XiaoChunRiQi, is back with another new tutorial. We got to say that she is truly one of our favorite China makeup gurus. All her tutorials are really eye-opening, and the suggestions that she gave in her video are straightforward and useful. We really admire how she can always come up with tutorials that are so simple and yet still able to enhance our features effectively. In this tutorial, she will show you the difference of how using the 3D makeup techniques will accentuate and make your features stand out more. Are you using the 2D or 3D technique while doing your makeup? Do you often feel that your makeup is lacking of something? Sometimes you think that putting on makeup is just adding colors on your face and it doesn't really help to enhance your facial features. Maybe there is something you don't know. Doing makeup in this 3D technique will definitely level up your beauty. 2D foundation. You apply foundation and blend it out all over your face, then set the base using setting powder. Your skin tone is slightly brighter and some of the blemishes is concealed. However, this step blends your facial features, making them look less prominent. It doesn't help to conceal the dented regions on our face and enable to make our features look refined and pronounced. 3D foundation. Pick foundation with the shade closer to your skin tone. Don't pick shades that are too bright for your skin tone. This foundation is used to balance out the uneven skin tone on our face. Just apply a thin coat will be enough. It is okay if you still have some skin blemishes after this step. We will conceal it later. Now, take a highlighter that matches your skin tone. And remember, don't go for those with glitters. The highlighter is used to brighten or plump up the dented areas on our face, such as under eye, sides of nose, or forehead. If you have less plump forehead, you can apply at the center. Pull your chin in and apply the highlighter like this. Don't forget your nose too. Apply at the nose bridge and nose tip to make your nose look pointier and higher. Then, pat out the highlighter and blend out the edges using your fingertip. By doing this, the shadows on the dented regions will be color corrected and hence your face will look lifted. Also, apply the highlighter at your brow bone. By brightening up the brow bone, it can actually help to deepen your eyes. For a small specific blemishes area, we will place the concealing step at the end of the base makeup routine. This is because layering other products on top of the concealed areas will make your base looking patchy and cakey. After setting your face, you will need to use your hand to find out the exact place of your jawline. Once you've found it, get a contour shade with gray undertone, as it suits Asian skin tone better and it looks more natural on skin. By following the jawline that you found just now, brush your contour powder in the direction from the back towards the front like this. Then, bring in the contour from the sides of your face. It will make your face look narrower. You can put more pressure at your brush when it is placed at the sides of your jawline. This can give a more defined contour at your jaw. But remember to put less pressure when the brush is brought inward. By doing this, your contour will look natural and airy. Besides that, this technique has the pulling in visual effect. It narrows down the width of our face by shaping our face to look more firmed and defined. We are still not done with the contouring. Again, use your hand to find the highest point of your cheekbone. She says if you have protruding cheekbones, applying contour at the highest point of your cheekbone will also create the pulling in visual effect, thus accentuate our face shape better. Flat-looking forehead can also be improved by applying contour at the sides of your forehead. Creating shadows at the side will help to brighten up the center of our forehead. Next, nose contour. While you're contouring your nose, we can also deepen our eyes by using the same contour product. Using your finger, search for the dented area of your eye socket. Then, blend out your contour product at this region. This step is really useful in helping your eyes to look less puffy, and it gives more definition to your overall look too. After contouring your eyes, bring the contour down to your nose bridge like this. Blend the contour from your eyes to your nose to give it a more natural look. For a nose tip, lightly apply contour at the base of your nose to make your nose tip look smaller and pointy. Never forget the cupid's bow and under lip area. Your lips will look plumper and more prominent. Let's look at the before and after. We can tell how important highlighting and contouring by looking at this comparison. Her face immediately looks firmer and plumper. This step has really improved her face shape dramatically. 2D brows. Fill in your brows by following your natural brow shape. Brows with no arch will flatten out our facial features. If you have less pronounced features, this brow shape might not be suitable for you. 3D brows. Find out the brow arch that suits you. Place the brow pencil on the side of your nose and hold it at an angle towards the outer region of your iris that is close to the end of your eyes. Straight up from your eyes up to your brows. The point where it hits your brows will be your brow arch. This is one of the easiest and fastest way to find out the brow's arch placement that suits you the most. With brow's arch, it will help to level up the turning angle of our face, making our facial features look sharper and more defined. Moreover, our face will not look flat like when we were having straight brows. 2D blusher. Using warm blush tone like this, and brush it all across your cheeks without knowing this will actually flame your cheeks. 3D blusher. Using lighter blush tone, apply at the center of your cheeks. Lighter tone blusher has brighter tone than our skin tone, hence it has brightening effect like a highlighter. Wearing your blusher like this, it will help to enhance our face shape to look tauter and firmer. Blush with darker tone will have shading effect like contour products. Applying at the side of your cheeks can narrow your face width, making your facial features look more prominent. 2D highlighter. Applying shimmery highlighter with no undertone on your face will not help to sharpen your features. This can only help your skin to look dewier and glossier. You can't brighten up the parts of our face. 3D highlighter. Pick highlighter with fine shimmers in it and those which has white undertone. Apply at nose bridge, nose tip and brow bone to brighten these regions. Do not apply highlighter directly on your cheekbone. Find the highest point of your cheekbone, then dab and blend your highlighter in inward direction like this. This method is really effective for those who has protruding cheekbones. It shifts the placement of your cheekbones inwards visually and help to make your face look smaller. 2D eyeshadow. Take any of your favorite shade and blend evenly on your lid as the base color. She says if you have puffy lids like hers, applying pink tone eyeshadow will not help to deepen your eyes. Use lighter tone shadows and add at the front of your lid, medium tone shade for middle of your lid, and darker eyeshadow for the outer corner. This eyeshadow application method will put the visual focus at the end of our eyes. The distance between your eyes will look further and make features being further from each other. Applying eyelid tape to create the tapered crease look will also shift the attention to the end of our eyes, hence, making our eyes look wider apart. 3D eyeshadow. Girls with puffy lids should use eyeshadows with lower saturation colors or the earth tone shades to set the base color for your lid. These shades are really effective in depuffing your lids. Then, take a darker shade to layer at the front of your lid. This can help to reduce the visual impression of your eyes being too far from each other. Besides that, apply the eyeshadow at the lid area close to your lash line. To enhance your eye shape, you will also need to apply at the outer lower lash line. Your eye makeup will look more natural when you have filled in your eyeliner. Then, take a smaller brush to trace out your XiaoChunRiQi using darker shades. XiaoChunRiQi can really help to accentuate our eyes and reduce the length of our mid-face. If you want something more, apply eyelid tape to create the high crease look to make your eyes pop. 2D eyeliner. Fill in your eyeliner starting from the outer corner. This eyeliner style will not suit girls with wide-set eyes. It makes your eyes look empty and droopy instead. 3D eyeliner. Enhance your eye shape using eyeliner. First, fill in a base line that is close to your lash line. If you have wide-set eyes, fill in at the inner corner to shorten the distance between both of your eyes. Or, if you have droopy eyelids, increase the height of your liner above your iris. Lower lash liner will help to accentuate our eyes too. 2D eyelashes. Curling your lashes like this will not help to lift the roots of your lashes. Your lashes are not lifted even after applying mascara. 3D lashes. Place the lash curler right at the base, then curl it with light pressure pushing it upwards. This is to lift the roots of your lashes. Apply mascara at the upper and lower lashes to make your eyes look bigger. You can also trace out lashes at the sparse area of your lower lash line. 2D lips. Apply lip product according to your actual lip shape, making her looking more mature. 3D lips. Use a lighter shade to set the base color of your lips. Smudge out the upper lip to shorten the cupid's bow length and plump up your lips. This can also make your face and nose look smaller visually. Lastly, layer a darker tone lip product at the inner region of your lips to give more definition to your lips. 2D glitters. Apply glittery eyeshadow all over your lid and XiaoChunRiQi. However, this is unable to give you a more refined look. 3D glitters. Apply glittery eyeshadows only at your inner corner to bring your eyes closer to each other. Then, Add at the center of your lids to make your eyes look sharper and refined. Look at the difference between the 2D and 3D makeup. Even though 3D makeup requires more steps and more complex techniques, but I would say the outcome is totally worth it. It has really helped to bring her beauty to the next level. Actually, some of the techniques mentioned in this video is quite similar to the previous effective makeup tutorial. However, the tips provided by XiaoChunRiQi in this video is really helpful. What do you think about this new technique? Will you try it out on yourself? Let us know in the comment section. We will meet again in our next video. Goodbye!